Welcome to Oraion, a platform built to solve your most complex challenges with speed and precision. At Oraion, we combine three things: AI agents, a dynamic analytics layer, and a dedicated context catalog. Together, they automate deep use cases that once required expensive tools and manual analyst effort. The result? Expert insights delivered faster, at scale, and with consistent reliability. Let's start with Oraion's AI chat, your single source of truth. Oraion works across structured data like KPIs and financial metrics, as well as unstructured data like project updates, reports, and internal documents. Let's look at both. In seconds, Orion's AI chat pulls structured data from your systems and turns it into clear visuals. It uses tools like SQL querying and sources data transparently, so you can be sure it's providing accurate results. Now let's switch to Orion's deep research agent. When you need a full report and not just a quick answer, Oraion spins up specialist agents to investigate, synthesize, and cite sources end to end. In the background, the agent decomposes the brief into tasks. It assigns deep research specialists and maps data sources before writing a single line. It pulls the right datasets, cross-checks filings, and keeps every claim traceable. Here's the first pass: structured, sourced, and presentation ready. When you're ready, copy the output into a memo, share with your team, or reuse sections on future reports. Deep research turns weeks of work into just minutes. Next up is Smart Views. These are Orion's dashboards, built for business teams who need clarity at a glance. Each Smart View is powered by Orion's AI analytics layer, which scans across structured and unstructured data sources, finds the right context, and brings it all together in one view. Behind the scenes, Oraion uses a context catalog, a dynamic map of where the most relevant data lives, so every chart, metric, and trend is tied back to the best possible source. Here's the Sales Smart View. It tracks your pipeline across stages: new leads, qualified opportunities, deals in progress, and closed revenue. The AI analytics layer automatically pulls structured CRM data and enriches it with unstructured inputs like client meeting notes or proposed documents. With one click, you can drill into a stage, see the deals behind it, and trace every number back to its original source. Now let's look at reports, one of the most powerful ways Oraion turns raw data into decision-ready insights. Our vision is simple: reports should be automated, accurate, and effortless. For technical users, Oraion makes it easy to configure report templates that match your organization's standards. From there, you can tweak and refine them using natural language to ensure that every detail is accurate. And for business users, it's even simpler. Just provide a prompt and Oraion populates the report content instantly, in the structure and style your teams already expect. Once configured, reports can run on a schedule. Oraion executes and delivers them automatically, pulling from live data and defined intervals. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, reports are generated and instantly shared via email, Slack, or Teams, so the right people get the right insights at the right time. With Oraion, every decision becomes data-backed. Move forward in confidence with Oraion.